Guys, I found this box over there, and I have this a while back. I like this perfume, and I found. I thought this one is all used up, guys, but I still have some left. My hands is kinda dry, and then I have another. So I just have two of the Marc Jacobs. Just wait. It's my favorite perfume. And this one is Ariana Grande. Ariana, Ariana Grande. I'm surprised, guys. It's in the basement, and looking all the stuff down there. Oh, I guess there's another one yet. So I just have four of this. I think I used the one, and I got this sample Rapture. And I got this many years ago. It's still good, guys. So I'm out of good perfume. And this is the outs outspoken perfume. I have this many years ago, but I think it's still good. And I have this. I don't know what's the name of this. What's the name of this, guys? Reese Witherspoon. So I'm so happy, guys. I found it. I have two perfume bar all empty. This one has some. And I sell some perfume before, and back then, and this is from the storage that looking around in the basement. So I found this. Woohoo!